Well, a sonic cleaner. A sonic cleaner for coins, jewelry, whatever. Anyways, deader than a doornail. And anyways, it's not working. So I already got the bottom screws out of it, and we'll keep on dismantling this thing. I repaired it for a test try. Gotta undo some cables here. Undo this yellow one. And let's see, undo the sonic cable. Okay. And as far as the sonic piece here goes, we'll set it aside. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We'll take some screws out. Show you exactly what I did, because I got to replace these jumpers anyway. Oh, these things, I don't know. I don't know how much these things cost. I should probably look it up on the internet and see what the heck they cost. This one here, like I say, is deader than a doornail. And oh, plastic. Another bad thing about plastic is this here, when this black is screwed to this gray, bunch of little screws down inside of here, and they have these little studs sticking up, little studs like these, and about half of them are broke. They over torque the screws. I mean, you don't even want to bottom out your screws in plastic. It just breaks everything up. And let's see here, we got another one here. But like I say, this one here was deader than a doornail. Got it loose. Okay, everything's loose. Out we come. Okay. Set that aside. And what I did was metered around in here, try to find something that was bad. Nothing bad. There's 2 fuses in here that I mean, very seldom. You know, there's a fuse here. They're wrapped in black. But anyways, very seldom see fuses go bad anymore. It's always something else. So anyways, when you plug this in, it starts feeding power to the control board. Through this wire right here anyway. And it's running, waiting for you to hit the on button. So this thing's always running when it's plugged in, like everything else today. What happened with this one was the controller. The controller was bad. It's no more workable. So we just leave it unplugged. don't use it. And what we did here is, when you plug this thing in, this here relay fires up. Relay on the board here. We got another relay back over there, and that's all the relays, 2 relays. This relay starts, and when you hit the on button, this relay starts. So we jumpered both of those. I'm going to put on bigger wire. These were just quick tests. And so anyways, we just bypassed the controller to keep the thing running forever. As soon as you plug it in, it's going to start cleaning metal, which is no big deal. You can always make a light switch or a timer. I gave them a timer here. Oh, you can set it for whatever you want, and 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, whatever the case may be, to do that. So I'm going to jump these. I know it does work now with those jumpers in, so I'm not going to make any more video on this. I'm just going to go ahead and put a stronger jumper in there and put it back together again, and we'll be on to the next repair job. So till then, bye.